friends, today we are going to visit one famous old bridge. I don't know why it's famous, but it's very famous because it's old. There is some iron, I think. You will see. And also one abandoned village. Oh, I'm intrigued with abandoned village. I like here in Cyprus. The GPS said you need to drive. Already I drive for 20 minutes. I still have 30 minutes. I think to drive now on the mountain, roads of the mountain. I take this small car. I hope to not to have a problem with her because it's small and the roads is little, you know, mountain roads. No need to use the engine, small engine for mountain roads because it's no good. Small engine is for the town, not to get too much tiredness. You will see. See you there. First on the bridge and after in the abandoned village. My friends, I reached that famous bridge, but it's there down the bridge, not there down. But his one team is recording one movie there. They're making movie, and I'm not allowed to record also me because already they are there before of me. And now I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to pass to go to that abandoned village. I hope not also there. I hope not to find this movie also there. And after I turn back from here to see this bridge. I don't have another solution. That is what it is. My friends, we are here in this abandoned village of Gerovasa, but somebody said only one house is coming from Anglia, one lady, and she's staying here. Said. Look at it. I don't know the story of this village, but it's looking old. Look at it. Very old. And they said they have more there. The school, something is there. My friend not have strength because they are very dangerous viper. Need to be take care. A bad viper here. Look. Wow. Was one village, but not so big village. It's abandoned now. That bridge there, what you are want to record, there is somebody make one movie. And it's close all the bridge. I cannot record on that famous bridge, but it's not so nice. But look at here. Look at this here. It's unbelievable. Very nice. Wow. Shadow. Very nice and shadow. Very nice the shadow. Wow. Look, the house is there. There is live somebody said. And here, what is this here? down. Wow, what the heck? Oh, here is something. Look at it. But they still have their houses up. Oh, this is broken. This road, I don't know what it is. Getting the road. Okay, my friends, we're going to see also after the school there. We will see. She said here is another part of the village. There down is some, and here they say they have the school, old school. I'm going to try to go up because I see another building that I think is the school. Somebody, because I find one. Man, here villagers here near. Shepherdman, and she told me here is the school also. Oh, I want to see what about also in the school. Oh. Here on building, I'm studying like coming down. Here another building. I think that is our school. Oh, very tired of it. Oh, very nice. This was the school here. Oh, it was the yard of the school. Very nice, the shadow. Going to explore the school. Oh. Oh. This was the school. This was the school. And there was the toilet. Here, toilet. What the heck is this? Water, have water here? Oh, this was the school. Small school because it was a small village. Oof. Have water here, have water before it's closed. Night 56. Interessant. So toilet, also this tree. Very interesting. Oh, this was the abandoned village of Gerovasa, something like that. I put in the title or description the really name. And now I'm turning it back to see about that bridge, if it's ready to watch, because I think they are left. You can do also some shots from there. Interesting, very nice. Think about a few years ago. Here there was children playing alive. It's everywhere. This villages is dying. Every country, no people. Every country, every village is dying. No people in the village. That's very sad. That is very sad. but don't have choice. Me, if I have choice, I go to stay in the village, but no income. All income in the towns. If I make some passive income to survive, for sure I choose village than something else. Okay, my friends, look at the school. Tree, very nice, children. I can hear until now the screaming of children. Always in my head. Very sad sometimes, you know. Very, very sad. I'm going to register something of the bridge and we'll say goodbye from there. If not, goodbye from now. But don't forget, like, subscribe. It's simple, it's free. Look at that tree, how it's doing in the school from the window. My friends are having luck. They are lefty. Look at the famous bridge. It's very dangerous when I go up with the car. I'm scared. Look, one piece of car down there. Oh, look what gorge here. What the heck? Look at it. It's very old bridge. Built by the English, I think. English army. I think colony English was before here. If I make mistake, please in the comment correct me. I don't know, sure. I forget also the name of this bridge, Trozena, something like that. Maybe I have one indication to told us. Whew. I pass the car from there and I go, and it's very, very, very strange. But I think it's still strong. This, but it's dangerous because down don't have something to support. If you see, don't have something to support it from down. Wait, what is the name? 5 tons, only 5 tons, only 5 tons support. I don't think 5 tons because with my car, and I'm have a lot of emotion because all this wood is broke, and look, the all this wood is broken. And look also the iron is not so good shape. And they cut the tree from there because they are making one movie in the morning here. Somebody making the movie. It's a good spot for doing the movie. No, but look at what this. They are broken this wood. I don't know why they don't check it. It's very dangerous. What is happening here? Down. Down is very far. If you go down, down is not near. Down is very down. Yo yo yo. Phew. I'm dizzy already. I don't know how many meters until down, but it's a few meters. Oh, what is that? And look, don't have support down. Some engineering they are making, but me, if I have one van, I don't pass from here. I pass, I'm afraid of that small car, I'm afraid. They are making very too much noise, very strange. Very. Look. They're passing too many cars over here. How do they don't know? They take it out 5 tons. To go, the people to go down. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, my friends, not forget to subscribe, like, share. See you.